Sia's forest cover among the lowest in Kenya. Siaya is one of the county of the Luo of Kenya, who are known as the Joluo. Siaya is a county with one of the lowest forest cover in Kenya, and the local residents have been challenged to make sure that they embrace tree planting. Kenya has set in national holiday with a target to plant 100 million trees across the country, and Siaya has been encouraged to be one of the people to take that initiative very serious. Now, according to the chairman of the Kenya Institute of Mass Communication, or the KMC board, Charles Owino, the county's 0.23% forest cover is only better than Wajir, Mandera, and Masabat counties, yet the countries receive adequate rainfall. So, Siaya County is only better than 4 counties. So, it is the 5th last country in terms of forest cover in Kenya. Owino, who represented the Cabinet Secretary of Public Service, Moses Churia, during tree planting at the Siaya Institute of Technology, said the local residents have an opportunity to reverse the lack of vegetation cover by planting trees in the numerous hills that covers the dotted areas. The government has a serious ambition of planting 15 billion trees by the year 2032. And in Siaya, we are supposed to plant 15 million trees within the same period, said Owino, a former National Police Service spokesman. Julius Otieno, the Siaya County Commissioner, while speaking at the occasion, said that Siaya County is targeting 36,000 trees to be planted in just one day, which is yesterday, and appreciated the support from the county government that was coordinating them to access the exercise in the ward. Siaya County Governor James Orengo, in a speech read by the County Executive Committee Member of Environment and Climate Change, Professor Jacqueline Odwal, said his government has invaded an initiative with deliberate efforts to increase the forest cover. Orengo blamed the few forest cover of the county on the local people's dependent on firewood as the only source of fuel. As a county, we have already embarked on a numerous tree planting initiative, and the results are enormous. You heard it. Thank you.